Hey Travis kiddos, here's your enrichment work of the day. We have our new phonics skills, which are 3-letter blends. We are working on skr, spl, spur, str, thr, and shr. They're really hard to say without the rest of the word, but good to practice so that you can blend it together and decode it quickly rather than saying each sound. Okay? We also have these sight words. Before, front, heard, push, tomorrow, and your. Hopefully you're getting those down. And if you would like to do some work in the Your Turn workbook, we have page 309 for our vocabulary words for this week. Difficult and nobody. So something that is difficult is not easy. It's hard or challenging. Nobody means no person or no one. So you're going to complete each sentence with one of the words from the box, our vocabulary words, difficult and nobody. Okay? Of course, using your best handwriting. Now, you notice there are only 2 words, but 4 sentences. So you're definitely going to use them more than once, okay? So work carefully there. And if you'd like to read Sue's surprise, that is available as well. Pages 311 to 312. Okay, if you want to do a 1-minute timed read to check on your fluency, go for it, and you can record that on page 313 down at the bottom here, and then read it again for some good comprehension. I also have a phonics game for you. It is on Launchpad, and it is on inflectional endings. Let's check it out. Okay, let's play a game. So we are going to practice adding ed or ing to the end of a word. We're going to need to check which one makes sense in each sentence. This game is from the games on Connect Ed, our Wonders curriculum through Launchpad. It's called Structural Analysis Inflectional Endings ED-ING Activity. Okay, so we're going to read each sentence and choose the verb that best completes the sentence. A verb is an action word, so doing something. Let's check it out. Today, I am blank in the tub. We have 2 options. We have splashing and splashed. So remember, ed can make ed, d, or t. So splashed, I say a t. Today, I am splashing in the tub, or today, I am splashed in the tub. Well, splashing is present tense. It's happening right now. Splashed already happened. So if I am, that's happening right now. I am splashing in the tub. Let's check if that's right.
Fantastic.
Woohoo! Let's go to the next one. Yesterday, I blank in the tub. Splashing, splashed. So yesterday is in the past. It already happened. So would it be splashing or splashed? Splashed.
Good job.
All right. Today I am blank my head. Today I am scratching my head, or today I am scratched my head. Is it happening now or in the past? Today, it's happening now, so we are scratching.
Excellent work.
Yesterday, I blink my head. So we have scratching and scratched again. If it happened yesterday, that was the past, so we need the ed ending.
Great job.
We're going to do a couple more together, and if you want to continue on your own, you can find this game online and continue. Yesterday, I blank the paint. Spraying or sprayed? Yesterday, is in the past. We need ed, sprayed.
Fantastic.
Today, I am blank the paint. Spraying or sprayed. Today is happening now.
Fantastic.
And I know you guys love when we try getting one wrong to see what happens, so let's do that just to see. Today, I am blank the tub. Scrubbing or scrubbed. So today is happening now. Let's see.
That's not it.
Oops.
Try again.
Okay, so if you get it wrong, you just hit try again. Click the correct answer, scrubbing. Today I am scrubbing the tub. Check it. And you get it right, you get to go to the next one. Okay, so you can find this game on Connect Ed. So if you want to continue that game, you can do that and finish all the words to fill in the sentences there. I hope you get them all right. And we have some math for you and a PE challenge. So math today, we are subtracting two-digit numbers from other two-digit numbers. So this is tough. We have to be really careful when we do this because we are regrouping. Okay, so here's where I highly recommend you use manipulatives, draw a picture, do whatever you need to do to make sure that you're not getting lost and missing things, forgetting things, because we are going to be regrouping a 10 into 10 ones. So let's do an example or two. So let's start with 52 minus 38. So of course we're going to start in the ones place. Now, 2 minus 8. Remember, we subtract down, we don't go up. I could do 8 minus 2, but that's not what we're subtracting, right? So I'm going to try it a couple of ways here, of course, I'll show you. So 52, if I can't do 2 minus 8, what can I do? Instead of 5 tens, 2 ones, I could trade a 10 for 10 ones, right? So I'm going to trade a 10 for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now notice how I kept these separate, because if I started here and started going to 10, I might forget that these two are a separate piece, and I might only add 8. Okay, so be really careful there to make sure you're trading a 10 for 10 ones, not 8 ones, not 9 ones. Make sure it's 10 ones, okay? So we have now 12 ones. I'm going to mark that along on this one as I go. So instead of 5 tens, 2 ones, I have 4 tens and 12 ones. I'm squeezing it in there. Didn't leave much room for myself. So 4 tens, 12 ones now. Can I take away 8? Now I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doesn't matter which 8 you take away as long as you do it carefully. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones left. So 4. 4 tens minus 3 tens. Let me cross them out. 1, 2, 3. I'm left with 1 10. 4 minus 3 equals 1. So 52 minus 38 is 14. Now, of course you can do number bonds, but it can get a little bit tricky doing the number bonds. So let's separate that out. I'm going to do 52 minus 38. Okay, now I'm going to show you this a couple of ways so that you can see different strategies, but I'm going to erase as I go. Okay, so 52, we saw this in the textbook. Could be 50 and 2, and then 38 is 30 and 8. However, I know I cannot do 2 minus 8. So I need to split 52 up in a different way. Now you notice I'm kind of doing the same thing, just showing it different ways. So instead of 50 and 2, I'm going to do 40 and 12. So it's just like my 4 tens, 12 ones or 4 tens, 12 ones, but I'm doing 40 and 12. They both, 50 and 2, 40 and 12, both make 52. Okay, so now I have 12 minus 8 And that one I can do. We figured that out here already, and that was 4. Now I'm going to subtract my tens. 40 minus 30. And I get 10. Now, this is the tricky part. We're not subtracting anymore. We split up our tens and ones, so we have to put them back together. So we're going to be adding, writing an addition sentence. But we're not really adding. We're just putting them back together. We're recomposing them. Okay? So 4 plus 10, or 10 plus 4, however you want to write it, equals 14. So we get the same answer, just shown a different way. Now, of course, you can always check your answer. So let's go back. So we have whole minus part equals part. Let's switch it back. So part plus part, and let's see if we get the whole. Let me scoot over that 3. It kind of went a little wonky. Okay, so 4 plus 8. I can count on if I know the fact already. If I want to split up one of those numbers to make it 10, I could do that. So let's count on. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I can't fit 12 in one digit spot down here. So I'm going to put my 10 in the tens place and my 2 in the ones place. Always really important to make sure you put your 10 in the tens place. We regrouped, right? We made a 10. We can't fit 12 ones down there, so we're going to put our 10 over here. 10 plus 10 plus 30. So I have 1 10 plus 1 10 plus 3 tens. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Hey, we get back to 52. We did it. Okay, so you have a whole lot of practice to do today. You have page 177 and 178 is another ball machine question. So you know you can guess and check. You can work backwards. You can do what you need to do to figure that out. Okay? Be careful on page 177. Take your time to make sure that you are working carefully to regroup. Okay? Please don't count back 38 or 56. That's a lot of work. Okay, so practice regrouping. There's a little bit of space to draw pictures over here. You can use a separate paper to draw pictures or number bonds or use manipulatives somewhere else. Okay, do whatever you need to do and have fun with it. Let's get to that PE challenge. Okay, kiddos, today's PE challenge is 30 jumping jacks. I know you can do this one. Okay, so when you do a jumping jack, you jump your arms and feet out, and then you jump them back together. Okay, are you ready? We have 30. On your marks, get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Woo! I can feel my heart beating a little faster. Good job. Woo! That was a good one to get moving. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and happy learning.